Hey guys, good morning. It's April 15th. Yesterday I wasn't here in the office. I was at home dealing with some stuff just on my computer. I decided to take the day kinda off. So we have orders from basically 2 days ago at 4 p.m. until now. So it's like a day and a half. We got 25 items going out on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. We have one order going out on our second store on eBay, and 13 items going out on our eBay main store, including one really nice sale. This little guy. We sold this for $1,000. We got this a long time ago in a storage unit. I paid like $40 for the entire unit. They had all sorts of vintage basketball and football clothing. We sold a couple of jackets from like vintage ones from the 80s or early 90s for like $200 each. And this is the biggest one. I sent this to electronic repair shop, and he basically mechanically refurbished it, and it cost me like $100, and it sold for 1,000. And it's a big unit. It's right here, actually. It's pretty big. So I might just take it to FedEx to have it professionally packed, and that's it. And it's going pretty close, so shipping shouldn't cost too much, but we'll see how it goes. So also today I'm gonna list some more items on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, pack everything, and that's it basically. Okay guys, so I pulled all the eBay orders except the big boombox that I will do later. So this is from the second store, another Star Trek figurine for like $10. Main store, another one, and another one. This is some kind of a dish, like a blue, I don't know if you can see pretty well, it's like a blue leaf kind of dish. It's kind of interesting because we don't do much ceramics and stuff like that, but this sold for $14 and 6 shipping. Yeah, it looked nice. We decided to research, and it sold, so that's good. Didn't take a long time. We have a Precious Moments figurine. They're okay, but they're really low value. Another set of collars, remote for Sony. Oh, I'm sorry, for Pioneer. Another one of the free books we got, Stephen King. That one is Carrie. Another Pokemon, Great Courses, monkey, and a baby monkey figurine. Yeah, we got this from an auction. We paid for the lot. We got a lot of monkeys, and we paid like $30 for a few figurines, and this one sold for 30 and 8 shipping. And 3 Batman laser discs. That's the original one, Batman and Robin and Forever. This sold for $30 and $8 shipping. And we sold a book that I wasn't sure that I wasn't sure it was gonna sell, but it sold. Cartier, I don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah, probably some kind of a catalog, and it's new and sealed. We sold this for let's see, $25. So yeah, instead of throwing it away, we sold it for $25. It didn't take too long. So I'm gonna pack this. I'm gonna pack this, and then I'm gonna pull some Amazon merchant fulfill orders from here and here, and then I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do with a big boombox, because it's gonna be interesting to pack. So I'm gonna go do it. Sold another thing just now, eBay main store. It's called 175 years gun celebration anniversary thermometer. So this is it. I'm gonna pack it a little better than the original package, and that's it. And everything else is ready to put the shipping labels on, and I'm gonna pack my Amazon merchant fulfill orders next. So I was picking Amazon merchant fulfill orders, and I got another sale on eBay, our main store. Captain Kirk casual, yeah. So this sold for $15. This is all our Amazon merchant fulfilled orders, and we have a couple of books also, like 4 books. So this is it. I'm gonna start packing those, and I still have the boombox to pack. Probably gonna take it to be professionally packed at FedEx. So it's gonna cost me a little bit, but it's worth the risk, because you know it's a $1,000 item. And it's really big and bulky. I'd rather have them deal with it anyways. I don't think I have boxes for, you know, that big of an item. So we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna go pack. So Amazon merchant fulfilled items are all packed and with labels. Just those are not, because for some reason it doesn't allow me to buy media mail for the DVDs and the book. So I need to contact Amazon support, but I can't get to them because they're unavailable right now. So I'm gonna wait. And we sold another thing on Amazon. So it's 30 items in a day and a half, which is good. All the eBay orders are packed also. So now I'm gonna list more items on Amazon merchant fulfilled and see how it goes. So I got 3 more orders on Amazon. That's including a few that I didn't ship yet because of the shipping issue. I went through more CDs to be listed on Amazon, and also we sold a couple more items on eBay. An Easton Press book, a card. So I'm gonna pack those, and I'm gonna probably list the Amazon merchant fulfilled items, and go home to pack. Go to FedEx to pack the boombox that we sold. So this is it, working. I'm gonna just wrap it with the bubble wrap and some cardboard, and then I'm gonna take it to FedEx to professionally pack and ship it. Everything else is in the car already. I sorted the CDs, pre-sorted them by condition, Those are very good, and this is good, but unfortunately I don't have the time today to list. So what I did today basically is just pack. Yeah, I still need to list on eBay. So yeah, so I'm gonna pack this real quick and go to FedEx, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you at the next one. Thank you guys.